So good morning everyone. I hope you can see me. We're going to start with a quick warm-up. It's just going to be jumping jacks, and then we're going to do some leg and arm stuff in the mix with that. We have a circuit. It's going to be all over whole body, so we're going to start on the ground, we're going to move up. Then we're going to have our more cardio stuff in the middle, and then we're going to finish up with core. So let me go ahead and we'll start the warm-up. I'm probably not going to need this on my day off. It's been cold in the house, but I'm sure I won't be very cold for long. So for the warm-up, we're just going to start with jumping jacks. We're going to do it for 1 minute. I'm going to set my timer. So go ahead and start. You might hear Kung Fu Panda in the background, maybe the lion guard. We got the girl awake. She might jump in. I think when I was trying to get this workout started earlier, she was trying to lay on my back, trying to ride the horse, trying to do all kinds of stuff. So she might join in a little bit. But for now, she's happily watching the iPad. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. We're just trying to build up a little bit of heat. All right, go ahead and we're just gonna stand and tap our toes. And then go behind. All right, get ready. We're gonna do jumping jacks again. Start. "25 seconds. "10. All right. We're going to fold down. I want you to keep your back straight, shoulders back. Just roll down. You're not going to go very far because we're not bending the shoulders, bending the back. Everything is straight. Now roll down towards your ankles. We're not touching the toes. We're reaching behind at the heels. Roll up. Legs are wide, same deal. Reaching behind. Knees can be soft but not bent. And roll up. You're going to give yourself a hug. Alternate the arm on top. So right elbow, left elbow. And then up and down. And a couple neck rolls. We're just going to go from ear to ear. Okay. All right. So for our first, how did everybody feel? Good, I hope. For our first circuit, we're going to be doing. I have to see exactly where I need to sit in order to be seen on the floor. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm playing around. Okay. We're going to start with a bridge bicycle. So you're going to be on the floor. Your hips are going to be up in bridge. Go ahead and put your hands behind your head. And we're not going to start yet, so just watch for now. Your hips are up as high as you can, and we're going to lift one leg and bring it across to the elbow. Just like a crunch bicycle, but with our butts off the ground. So we're going to do that, alternating left and right for 45 seconds. You could go ahead and try it out if you want to try it. But we're going to move on to the next thing. So I'm going to move on to the next thing. The next is you're going to need your weight. We're going to be laying on the side with our legs. I'm like, I have just enough room to do this. You're going to have your weight on your leg, just above the knee. You're going to be stabilizing it with your hand, but not helping with your hand at all. So just your fingertips you can use. We're just going to lift the leg. And we're just going to do the one side. We're not going to alternate because we're going to go through it twice, and we'll do the other leg next time. So we're going to leg lift for 45 seconds, then up, up, down, down, plank. How much is this? It's a little bit better. Excuse me. That's a cat for you. So we're in plank. You can start on the elbows or the hands. It doesn't matter because we're going to be doing both. It's going to be up, up, down, down. You can switch arms. Up, up, down, down. And switch. Try to keep your core tight. If you need to do it from your knees, also fine. Make sure that this is straight. Tuck the butt. Don't let it get out like this. Don't down dog. And then don't seal. So we'll have 10 seconds between this. The next will be inchworm. We'll just do a basic inchworm. When I actually do it, I'm going to run forward, backwards, but I'll demonstrate it here. So your feet are going to be here. Hands are touching the toes or on the ground. You're just going to walk the hands. I'm too tall. Walk the hands out until you're in plank, and then push back up. All right? Come out and push back up. And when we do that the first time, it's going to be inchworm where we're walking out and back up. The second, when we do it the second time through, it'll be reversed. So hands are on the ground, legs are walking out. To plank. Walk up. Okay? The next will be a pass-through lunge. So to demonstrate, you'll alternate legs each time for this one. Your hands will be your weights behind the head. You're going to lunge forward, come down into good position. That knee is not in front of the toe, it stays over the heel. You're just going to pass always through the inside of the leg. Come down, bring it up, kick back, switch to the other side. Now you're passing through again on the inside of the leg. Knees in good position, and back up. So we'll just do that over and over again for 45 seconds. And the last will be kettlebell swing, which I'll demonstrate as well. So I like you to do heavier weights, but do what you feel comfortable with. If you've never done this, then start light, and then as you get more comfortable, just grab the other weight. So you have your weights crossed, holding them in the center. You don't have to, as long as you have a good grip, it doesn't matter. Knees are bent. Bring the weight down. Bring it up. We're going to pretend like there's paper under our armpit. I almost dropped the weight. There's paper under your armpit, so you're not going to swing way high. You're just going to bring basically to eye level. Down and up. Down and up. You want the butt to come back, so you're not bending at the waist. And then when you come up, thrust the hips. Squeeze your butt. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, so if that's ready to go, and we're doing all right on time, then let's go ahead and start. I'm sorry there's no music. Apparently I can't have anything saved if there's music, so we'll go ahead and hit. In 10 seconds, we'll start with the first exercise, which, memory failing, was a bridge bicycle. So hopefully this timer does what it's supposed to do. Okay, go ahead and start with the bridge bicycle. We're just doing one side. Oh, I'm sorry, we'll do both sides. So bridge up, bring it. 45 seconds. Try and keep your hips up the whole time. Let's do this way. Lost it. And rest. We have 10 seconds. Now we're going to go on to the leg lift. So grab your weight. Pick a side, doesn't matter. We're going to have it just on top of the thigh, as I showed. If you need to drop the weight, that's fine. Is my timer going on 10 seconds? It should be going by now. Let's make sure it's going. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just give me a second to work on this timer. I'm using a different one, so it is not loving me. That's really weird. It started without me. Or we did only 10 seconds. Alright, well, let's see. Okay, so go ahead and start with the leg lifts now. I want to know what's going on with this thing. Why it didn't do the right noise. So we'll see. 37. Leg lifting. Sorry about that, guys. This is the problem with not being able to see what I'm doing. This is chicken making a rare appearance. Keep lifting. Oh. Stupid cat. I just joked, I love her. Alright, rest. And we're going to start the up, down, down plank. If this beeper doesn't go off, oh my gosh, it's skipping it entirely. I don't know, this is not my normal phone. Okay, go ahead and in 10 seconds we'll start. There must not be a noise. So 3, 2, 1, go ahead and start. Up, up, down, down plank. Remember to switch arms with which one's falling first. And rest. 10 seconds. Because we get up and change it every time. We're actually doing it for 55 seconds instead of 45. Sorry guys. Inchworm. Go ahead and start your inchworms. Remember, we're going forward the first time. If you want to make it a little harder, you can grab your weight and you can row. Or you can do a push-up when you come to the bottom. Your choice. Or you can just do it normally. Just do it fast. And rest. 10 seconds. Pass through lunge. Start with the hand forward. Pass in. Come back. What lovely. Yeah. No, are you not sick, girl? And here's Lovely making her appearance. What's up, girl?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I do to see what.
Okay.
Let's go.
Don't touch that stuff. And rest. The last one is going to be the kettlebell swings. So you have 10 seconds, so I pick your weights up. Remember, we're not going very high. The weight's only coming to about eye level. Thrust the hip to the top. Back is straight. All right, get a sip of water. We're going to start again in a minute. All right? I'm going to fix this timer. Figure out what's going on with it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Hi, get back. All right, now it's fixed. So our second round's actually going to be a little easier than the first because it won't be quite so long in the active phase. All right, that should be fixed. So you have 33 seconds. Go ahead and get some water. I'm going to turn the fan on in my house. Because I am sweating. We're going to start with the bridge. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. So we alternated the bridge plank. So we'll alternate again this time. Go ahead and get the legs up, the hips up. Keep those hips up. Don't let them sink. Use your butt, keep it high. All right, 10 seconds rest. Next is the bridge. The leg lifts. We're going to do the opposite side this time. So flip over, do what you need to do. Get that leg up there. Remember, you're not helping. You're just stabilizing with that top leg. feels like a long 45 seconds. All right, 10 seconds. And up, up, down, down.
Daddy, Mama,
Yes, Leslie.
let me do some work.
In a minute. Go get it out of the fridge. Go get it out of the fridge. Close the door when you're done, please.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Get it.
Yeah.
Get it out of the fridge.
What?
If you wait, you have to wait another half hour. All right. Next is inchworm. This time we're using the feet, not the hands. So walk the feet back to plank. Walk it forward. Yes, we go. You've already had an apple this morning. It's not wet, it's just cold. Keep inchworming. Almost done. Okay. Rest 10 seconds. Pass through lunge. Grab your weight behind the head. Bring out your mouth. Pass, lunge forward. Good position. Pass through the inside leg. Back up. Yes, nothing, good girl. Nothing.
What happened?
Nothing. Yeah. All right, rest 10 seconds. Final kettlebell swings. Keep hurting. All right, cross those weights. Legs are wide, back is straight. Go ahead and start. We should have already started. Back stays straight. Thrust the hips to the top. Send the butt back. All right, and we are done with that. Okay, go ahead and get some water. It's just for a 10. This is the part where if you have a mat, ignore that, sorry. If you have a mat, you'll want to lay it out because we're going to be on the ground a little bit more. I'm going to stay in place for this next thing. Let me start this timer. All right, 1 minute. So I'll explain what we're going to do. We're going to do 10 high knee running in places. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to plant the hands down. I have to walk because my knee is hurting me. Step or jump back. And we're going to split left, split right. Then do that 8 more times. So jump up, high knee run for 10, and then come down, jump or hop, split, split. So I'll be doing it with you guys. We'll just do it on the count. So it's 10 of those. Then we're gonna do a intermediary quote unquote rest. We're going to be here in plank from doing our splits. Then we're going to drop to the elbow for dolphin. Then we're going to move forward for elbow plank. We're going to drop the hips for cobra. And then up dog, so we're lifting the thighs off the ground. And then down dog. Then we're going to do it again. So it's plank, dolphin, elbow plank, cobra, up dog, down dog. And we'll go through that 3 times, so we just went through it twice. It'll go really fast, it's just to keep everything moving instead of resting. So when we do, then we're gonna start over again with the high knee run. Instead of doing it 8 times, we're gonna do it only 6 times. We're gonna go through our plank, dolphin, up dog, down dog. Then we're gonna go 4 times for the high knee run, and then 2 times. So just keep, I know that sounds confusing, just play along. It's gonna be 10 of the actual reps each time. All right, it's now 1 minute. So this is all gonna be on count, not time. So we're just gonna get them all in. If you need to rest, then rest. If you're doing good, then enjoy it. Go a little fast. You can go faster than me. You don't have to stay with me. I'm just gonna go medium pace. So we start out with high knee run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant the hands, jump or step back. Right lunge, left lunge. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant the hands, jump or step back. Lunge, lunge. That's 2. Start in 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump or step back. Right leg, left leg. Make sure you get a stretch. Come on up. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Jump or step back. Right, left. Jump or step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant the hands. Lunge left, lunge right. Step forward. That's 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Plant the hands. Left or right. And the other one. Bring it forward. This is 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant the hands. Lunge. Lunge. Elbow forward. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go. We're here. Lunge. I think actually one more that we need to do is a lunge. We're in plank. Drop to the elbow. Dolphin plank. And dolphin down dog. Excuse me. Then we're going to come down. The elbow plank. 2, 3. Press up. 1, 2, 3. Thighs off the ground. 2, 3. And then down dog. 2, 3. Come back to plank. 2, 3. Dolphin. 2, 3. Elbow. 2, 3. Cobra. 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. Down dog. 2, 3. Plank. 2, 3. Dolphin. 2, 3. Elbow. 2, 3. Drop down cobra. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And finally, down dog. 2, 3. All right, stand back up. Here we go. Running high knee run again. This time only 6 times through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down. Right, left. Come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant. Right, left. Come on in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant, right, and left. That's 3. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant, hopper step. 1, 2. Bring it back forward. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Walk or jump back. Last one. Bring it forward. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Hands. Last one. Down, left, and right. Okay. We're going to move on in. I did one too many runs last time, so we're staying on the ground here. Next is plank, 2, 3, dolphin, 2, 3, elbows, 2, 3, cobra. Oh, I'm too close. 2, 3, thighs off the ground, 2, 3, down dog, 2, 3. Plank, 2, 3, dolphin, 2, 3, elbows, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, thighs off, 2, 3, down dog, 2, 3. One more time. Plank, 2, 3, dolphin, 2, 3, slide your feet, elbow, 2, 3, push up, cobra, 2, 3, up dog, thighs off the ground, 2, 3, down dog, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna start over with the high knee. 4 times 3 this time, it's gonna go fast. Go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Step or hop out. Right leg, left leg. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Go into plank. Bring that foot up to the hand. Each time, come up. That's halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Leg up. Leg up. All right, walk the hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Right leg and left leg, and stay in plank. 2, 3, dolphin. 2, 3, elbow. 2, 3, cobra. 2, 3, thighs. 2, 3, down dog. 2, 3. I'm gonna turn sideways. All right, plank. 2, 3, dolphin. 2, 3, elbow. 2, 3, cobra. 2, 3, up dog. 2, 3, and down dog. 2, 3. One more time. Plank. 2, 3, dolphin. 2, 3, elbow. 2, 3, cobra. 2, 3, up dog. 2, 3, and down dog. 2, 3. Alrighty. Last and high knee run. We're only going to do it twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down, kick back. Bring the left foot and the right foot to the hands. Walk it or step it or jump it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plant your hands. Down, right, and left. Stay in plank. 2, 3, dolphin. 2, 3, elbow. 2, 3, cobra. 2, 3, up dog. 2, 3, down dog. 2, 3, plank. 2, 3, dolphin. 2, 3, elbow. 2, 3, cobra. 2, 3, up dog. 2, 3, down dog. 2, 3. All right, plank. 2, 3, dolphin. 2, 3, elbow. 2, 3, cobra. 2, 3, up dog. 2, 3, down dog. 2, 3. Great job, guys. Go ahead and get a drink of water. I'll put the timer on again. You have a minute. We're gonna rest starting now. You have a minute for rest, and then while I'm explaining what we're doing. So we're gonna start with another circuit. It's gonna be all the same. 45 seconds on, 10 seconds to rest and change things. The first is gonna be, I don't know the best place for me to do this is. I guess it'll be this way. So now you can't see past it. I'll just turn sideways. I'm too tall. Okay, so we're gonna be on the ground, legs are straight out, hands behind the head, or at the side, or wherever you need to be. I'll probably change 2 or 3 times as we're going. We're just gonna lift the legs for the first one, okay? Touch the heels to the ground. Try and get your hips at 90 at the top. Try and keep your legs straight as well. It doesn't really, the short lever doesn't do you any good here. So try and slowly put it down and slowly lift it up. Remember to keep your belly button tight. That's 1 minute. Keep your belly button tight. You're going to push it down, push your lower back into the ground, protect your lower back this whole time to keep from hurting your lower back when we do that. So 45 seconds of leg lift. We're going to move on to side plank. You can do this from your knee. It's easier. But what I want you to do is I want you to push through your elbow so that you have a pretty arc right here in your armpit. If it gets too tiring, you can switch to normal side plank, which is just a straight, a little angle. But I like rainbows, so we do rainbows. You're going to just do leg lift. My knees are bent here, so it's going to be a little different. We're just going to lift the leg up like this. If you want to do it normally, again, that elbow, that armpit's in a rainbow. You're just going to lift the legs with balance. Ooh, that's going to be tough. We're just going to do the one side. So after that, we're going to drop down. You can do this with or without a weight. It's your choice. It's going to be 45 seconds of Russian twist. The hardest is legs that are up. Here, you're going to reach back, touch the elbow behind your spine, touch the weight to the ground. Come to center. Same thing with the other one. So it's not this. There's no movement in there. It's not really that taxing. I want you to touch the elbow to the ground. Come up. Touch the elbow to the ground. Come up each time. If you need to drop your feet to the ground, that's okay. It makes it a little easier, okay? So Russian twist. Again, this is for time, not for number. So you'll hear the bell. We're going to switch after that. Lay on the ground. Feet are here. Or my hands are at your butt or over your head. We're going to do reverse crunch. Now, I like just lifting your butt off is fine. That's the lowest level that I want you to do. So you're just going to lift your butt and try to get your middle back off the ground. But what I'd like, I'm going to move this so you can see a little better. I'd like for you eventually to come all the way up so that your hips are straight and your toes touch the sky. So, I know this is running, guys. Work on getting those hips up as high as you can. And then once you're up high, work on getting straight so that you've really engaged your butt and your core. We'll do that for 45 seconds. Then we'll move on to the other side for side plank. So if you're facing one way, make sure your feet are on the other side the next time so you're using the other arm. And finally, we're going to do wipers. Now, I actually have a lot of trouble doing these straight. So the easier way is your knees are bent and you're just taking your knees down to the ground. Keep your shoulders and elbows on the ground. Bring it up and then switch sides. And then bring it to the middle, okay? So that's wipers. A more difficult version that I struggle with, and we'll see if you try it this time. You want me to wait to hold me down. Is legs are, you hit a speaker, legs up, straight, and legs side, straight. Okay, that's tough. It won't do you any good if your legs are straight for you to be less than 90 degrees. I don't really know how to show you that on the floor here, but so I'm just gonna see that. So if my legs are here, it doesn't do me any good to bring my ankles down here where I'm almost straight. That's not, I'd rather you have your knees bent and go pure side to side than to have you straight and not do it right. So anywhere in between, but try and make sure you're as close to 90 as you can for whatever straightness of leg is comfortable. So we'll go ahead and start that. Let's see what time it is. And then if we have time at the end, it is, oh gosh, we'll have plenty of time. We'll go through that whole thing. It won't take very long, and then we'll do mini plank Tabata and then cool down. Who's ready for mini plank Tabata? Okay, so we'll start in 10 seconds. The first thing, I think was it side plank? I think it was. We'll start in 10, 9, 8, and leg lifts. I was close, not even close. So, back on the ground, legs are straight out, lift the legs. Protect the tummy and the lower back. Push in with the belly button so that your lower back stays on the ground. If you need to hold your belly button to feel how it's crunching, then do that. You want to avoid this mountain peak as best you can in your tummy if you're able to see it. You want to be more flat. Press that lower back against the ground. Keep the heels together. All right. We're moving on to side. This might be entertaining. All right, up. Again, make that pretty rainbow in your elbow, in your armpit. Lift the leg. You can do this from your knees. Just make sure you keep it firm. This is going to make you tired in a hurry. This is not fun. I'm already not having a good time.
Okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Keep going. Okay. Whew. Now to the other side. All right. Russian twist. Grab your weight. Step if you want. Let's see if I can do both 20. Let's see if I can do 20. Come down. I used to see myself. I haven't done the both weights in a while. Because I make everybody use mine. Because I want you to use a heavy weight. Get that elbow down on the ground, behind your spine. I want a good twist. All right. Half dragon. So reverse crunch. Try and get your butt all the way in the air or anywhere in between. Go ahead and start. 6. Leg across the floor. Whoops. And rest. Now, switch sides on that side plank with a leg lift. So, whichever way you're facing, put your feet on the other side. Go ahead and lift. Make that pretty rainbow in your armpit. Push through the shoulder. Your shoulder should be behind the palm of the hand. Oh, I'm tired, guys.
Yeah.
All right, keep going. And drop it down. Almost done. Wipers. Again, make sure you're getting that full 90 degree for your hips, whatever degree of straight your legs need to be for that. So, bring them all the way across. Oh, use my arms to cheat. Okay, here we go. Down. Oops. Hitting my finger. And across. I don't want you having your legs at a 45-degree angle. I want them 90 to the hips. And bending on that side, over my feet again. Oh. Keep those shoulders on the ground and try and lift your feet at the same time. Don't push up with one leg. You're using your obliques to lift, not your leg. So if it helps to not cheat, don't put your feet to the ground. Oh my God, that was a great 45 seconds. That should be it. Right? Should be. Wipers. That's it. All right. 10, 20. That's perfect. We'll have mini plank Tabata. If you are familiar with me, you know what it is. If not, I'll explain it. And then I have to do a timer for it because I don't have one. So you all have to hear it. So we're going to be in regular plank. This is not really something you can do from your knees. So you're here. When I say go, you're going to reach. You're going to roll forward on the toes.
Activity completed.
Keep your chest and everything hollow. So what I don't want to see, not that I can see you, is I don't want to see this with your hips down, and I don't want to see down dog in this forward position. I want you to clench your butt, move your pubic bone forward, and your ribs crunch slightly towards your hip bone with the tops of the feet on the ground, okay? So we call this a hollow plank. Anyway, that's 10 seconds. Then we roll back so our heels are pressed against the ground. Now our shoulders are behind the hands. 10 seconds. I just got a phone call, so I hope that didn't end the, it didn't. Okay, that's really weird. We're going to do this in just a second. Let me set up the timer for it. Get a new one. Let's see. I want to add a new one, but I don't know how to do it. It's been a minute. We'll just change this one, I guess. So we'll do still 6, and it's 10 and 10. So, okay. So we'll go ahead and start in a couple seconds. All right, so it's going to be 2 minutes and 40 seconds, or really 2 minutes and 30 seconds of work. So go ahead and get in plank position. We're almost done, and then we'll stretch. So you're in plank. Start from your knees. The timer will go. I want you to jump up. Jump up. Tops of your feet. Elbows and shoulders are in front of the palm of your hand. Everything's hollow. Everything is straight. Push back into the heels. So now everything is behind the heel of your hand. Keep it straight, butts clenched, forward. You want those ribs and the tops of your hip bones clenched together. Butt is tucked. Wriggle back. Try and keep everything tight. If you need to rest, this low part is where you would down dog. Stretch your shoulders, stretch your abs. Forward. Back. Not like straight. Push one corner on one arm and the other. Forward. And back. Push into the heels. Forward, top of the feet. Back. And forward. This should be the last one. And back. Push to the heels. And drop it down. Very good. Mini planks well done. All right, we're going to go into Cobra. Slowly. Maintain a tight shoulder girdle. So don't sink your chin and your ears into your shoulders. I want you to push so that that stays far away. We're gonna, as we push up, it pushes the belly button forward. And we're stretching our abs, so that's what we want.
Activity completed.
Sit back in a child's pose. Walk the fingertips forward for a better stretch through the arms. We're going to bend the right arm, thread it through the left, place the shoulder on the ground, and come up. More shoulder stretch. Roll down, come back to child's. Switch, left arm through, come up. Roll down. We're going to come up into cat and cow. So hands and knees on the ground. Push the spine up for cat. And then flex it down for cow. Up. And down. And up. And down. Plant the hands. Send the foot back. I'm too tall. We're going to bring the left foot forward, right foot, does not matter, into lizard. You want the heel of the hand and the heel of the foot together on the inside. Make sure this knee is not in front of the toe, so you're not here. It's all the way up here. You want a nice, big, long line. This back leg is straight, but not for long. So we're going to drop it down, flip to the top of the foot, root this heel. We're going to drag it back a little bit because we're going to sit back on the opposite heel. And reach into instep and reach forward. And roll up. We're going to sit on the butt. This foot is going to stay close to the heel. We're going to reach forward with the right arm, hook the elbow around, plant it on the kidney, and reach forward again. And roll up. Keep everything here. We're going to just twist the spine and look backward over the opposite shoulder. And relax. Start over. Back in plank. Oops. This time, right foot. And if you feel like this is not a challenging stretch, you can always drop down to the elbows. Again, you want the elbow and the heel to be next to each other. Drop the knee. Drag the right foot backward. You'll have to give me just 5 more minutes, okay? And we're going to reach for the instep and forward. Flip up onto the butt. Left heel is next to left butt cheek. And reaching for the instep forward. I'll help you that in a second, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. Oh, okay. That's fine too. Alright, now we're going to reach forward with the left arm. Hook back, plant that top of the hand in the kidney, and twist backward. You're welcome. And relax. Just drop down. You can sit in crisscross. If you're comfortable with it, you can sit in lotus, where you place the tops of the feet on the thighs. We're going to sit way up, way straight, on your sit bones, shoulders are back. Couple deep breaths. Ear to ear, roll the chin forward. Just a couple times. 2 and 3. That's good to me. We're going to uncross the legs, stand up for the last thing, which is 3 deep breaths with an ass-to-grass squat. So legs are wide, toes are pointed about 45-degree angle. Start with the arms up tall. We're going to exhale as we squat down. I'm going to do it sideways to demonstrate what I want you to do. We're going to exhale on the way down, inhale on the way up. So on the way down, lead with the butt. Keep the knees over the ankles. Down, 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 down. You're now here. Your shoulders are close to your knees. Now we're going to just bend everything down. Open that pelvic floor all the way to the bottom. And up, inhale. That's 1. Down. And up. Last one. Down, 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 down. 2, 3, up. And exhale with your hands to your heart. Down. And that's it. It's 10:31. I think we did a good job. I think we actually started about 3 minutes late, so just under an hour. But I hope you guys enjoyed the workout. If you have not signed up for or not notified me that you're going to be doing Iron Will, please do so. Over the weekend, I'm ordering shirts, ordering water bottles, getting everything ready to go. So people who've already paid, your stuff should be ready on the 9th, maybe the 10th. But if you show up on the 9th and it's your first day here and you haven't talked to me, totally cool, but it's going to take about a week for me to get your stuff back in. So I hope to see you guys all on Monday, and we'll start this Iron Will Challenge. Everybody have a great day.